immune dysregulation is a broad-reaching term that can probably mean many different things. But one of the things that we published on in late 2023 with our amazing colleague Akiko Iwasaki from Yale University was that when we compared deep immune profiling results from healthy controls to people who had been diagnosed with long COVID, what we saw was evidence of what's known as T cell exhaustion, meaning that T cell activation had been prolonged. T cells are these immune cells that we often use to go out and fight off pathogens. And what we were seeing in folks with long COVID was that there was evidence that these T cells had been activated for a very long time and that they were starting to lose their efficacy in fighting off invaders. Now, that can lead to two things. If you have a persistent pathogen, so if long COVID is indeed a result of SARS-CoV-2 persisting in your body, that's going to lead to SARS-CoV-2 starting to mount a counteroffensive and perhaps causing more symptoms. But also what we were seeing was clear evidence of reactivation of latent viruses, herpes viruses, EBV, CMV. This was much more likely to be present in the immune profiling of people with long COVID compared to healthier controls. So immune dysregulation can lead to this cascade of other problems, but it all stems from this idea that for some reason, whether it be persistent pathogens or whether it be just this prolonged immune response from autoimmunity, your immune system is getting tired and it's not fighting off pathogens the way that you should. And so you're either experiencing reactivation of old pathogens, you're experiencing increased susceptibility to new pathogens. Either way, you're starting to enter into this state where you're constantly very, very sick.